chillier out, everybody. It's I actually like it. It's but yeah, it's a little chilly. It's like 57, 60, something like that. We got somebody flying up on us here. Nah, it's nobody. Anywho, I wanted to tell you guys about I ordered a screen protector basically for the display. Now don't forget, the MSX 125s, which these are, came out in Europe as a 2021 model. So, you know, if you are looking for some accessories, if you look, like I was looking at stuff in Great Britain, you know, the UK, that's where I found this, and it's obviously, you know, they're exactly the same. So yeah, so I got a screen protector. I do really like screen protectors. I mean, they're good on the phones and everything else. So and then I did, on the recommendation of one of my viewers, I'm going to I already ordered the what do you call it, cover that he recommended. He said that it fits perfectly, according to him. So that's on its way. So I think it's coming from Canada. So shouldn't be too long. But yeah, so as soon as we get that, we'll do a review on it, see if how well it fits. And a friend of mine gave me his cover. He used it for his MT09, but it's big, it's huge. So I mean, it's better than nothing, right? But so I'd rather have something that was like perfectly fitted. But you know, you can't beat free either. So woo, I'm gonna need to start getting I'm gonna need to start wearing something else. I want to get one of those I want to get a leather vest. So that might add some more insulation to me. So I put it over my my long sleeve hoodie here. So other than that, not too much going on. 3D printer's working good. So yeah, if you guys are interested in, oh, I did, we'll show you when we get to work here. I did, I put the rest of these OD green washers on my side panels. So I put all 6 on each side. So they look pretty good. I like it. So if you guys are interested, hit me up. I can do lots of colors. You know, I've got a set of black. One of the guys that originally asked for one, I guess decided that, you know, he was going to buy the $200 ones, which, you know, is kind of the whole reason that I came up with this idea, because who wants to spend $200? Plus, you change this shit like underwear. I mean, you know, yesterday I had the magenta ones on there. Today I got the green ones. I mean, I just carry a 5mm Allen wrench in my little, you know, under the seat comes a little bag with the instruction, with the manual and everything. I just put that there. So, but yeah, I mean, you know, these are cheap, easy, and you know, you can have different ones for different colors. You know, like shoes. You know, different ones for different occasions, whatever you want. So, yeah. So I hope I don't get run over here. Man, I'm like smelling something. Almost smells like skunk, I guess. I don't know. Oh, you guys ever ride with no hands? I gotta let go of the handlebars all the time because of the damn carpal tunnel. So I usually boost it up a little bit and then I'll, woo, check it out. You know, especially it's my right hand that hurts the most. But of course, the throttle hand So, but yeah, it's an alright morning. I do like how it is getting colder in the morning. That's how you know fall is approaching. But then you know what that means. Winter. And snow. And no motorcycles. So I'll try and get away with riding as long as I can. I actually saw some heated grips. I don't know if I would do that, but it was kind of an interesting thought. Okay. So, but yeah. Oh, my 17-tooth sprocket should be coming today. So maybe this weekend we'll install the 17-tooth sprocket. That'll be cool. And there we go. I'll put my visor down a little bit. I don't know. There's definitely a wind chill. I don't mind. I'd rather be cold than hot. You can always put more clothes on than you can take off. But looks like it's set up to be another beautiful, beautiful day. It's nice sunset or sunrise. Sunrise. I love all the purples and blues and oranges. It's pretty cool. Oh man. Sleepy. Not too sleepy. I've been waking up really early. Today it was I don't know, 4 something. So although I was tired, I went to bed early. It must have been 10:30 or something. So I only sleep like 4 to 6 hours at the most. So kind of a blessing and a curse, really, I guess. What we got going on here? Oh, these guys lining up to get into the gate or something? I don't know. That's kind of what it looks like, doesn't it? These fucking guys. Oh, man. Morning.
Morning.
Ah, there you go.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see ya.
Yep.
Yeah. There we go. Look at that sun again, man. Oh, I don't get tired of seeing that at all. So low in the sky. I crush you. Remember that shit? I kill you. Yeah. So, anyways, it's amazing. Buying this bike was probably one of the more fun things that I've done. I get even more enjoyment out of this than my car. The car is really, really fun. I mean, the other day, you know, after driving this thing's, you know, I mean, it's not like the speediest thing ever, right? So, you know, it's like, all right, come on. It's not the speediest thing ever. And when you get in the car, you know, I step on the gas, I'm like, shit, there's 30. Like, it takes like 1 second. So, you know, it is, you know, each has their own fun, right? You know, the car is fun, the bike's really fun, you know. and in a way, I kind of like the two separated. I mean, the bike's nowhere near as fast as the car, thank God. You know, after I pay this off, I think I probably want to get a Honda Rebel 500. I saw those at the bike show before COVID, and I sat on the thing, fell in love with it. If I can find the picture, I'll post it up on this video. I'm sitting on it. I'm like, oh yeah, it's awesome. I don't know. When I saw it, I was like, that's it. That's a bike I want. You know, so you just know. So I like the LED headlight on it, the round LED headlight. I mean, this thing's pretty cool too, with its like kind of like hexagon or octagon shape, you know. But that thing is pretty cool. Hey, we're the first ones here again. So I've got I brought some LEDs with me this time, so that I can work on that Keychron K8 keyboard that you guys haven't seen the video yet. I started videoing it yesterday. I just need I gotta fix some of the LEDs, and of course the ones I ordered, the pinout is not right. So, but it will work. I just gotta bodge it a little bit, you know. I gotta stick some wires on here and there. It's not too bad. I mean, it's either that or what, throw it away. I mean, come on, you know, because you can't get these LEDs from anywhere. So I you know, I ordered them from friggin' Shenzhen, and you know, you kind of think that all these little common anode keyboard type LEDs would be the same, but apparently not. So, but yeah, let's you know, as I always do, let's get a couple of shots of the bike here. Because I get that good morning sun coming in on it here. Right, here's with all the green. So I was talking about the OD green, OD grom, olive drab grom. Yeah, that's gonna call it the OD grom. There we go. Still got to get rid of those reflectors. So, but all right, everybody. So we'll see you on the next one. And yeah, like I said, that Keychron keyboard is coming up here real soon. I know you guys actually, some of you guys like that one, so this will be interesting. I've got it almost all working, and then I got to go back and fix some traces so we can get the keys working, and then I can order keys. So, all right, everybody, we'll talk to you in the next one. Easy.